let's come to the Mohs surgery again. I'm doing this again because once I did the video was in Malayalam, which is a state language. So I thought I will do it the same in English as per my friends and family's suggestion. So I'm doing it in English. Okay. So let's come to the Mohs surgery. What is Mohs surgery? Mohs surgery is the treatment done for the skin cancer. Okay. And what they would do is they would take a small skin session and they would divide it into stages and blocks for the better treatment. So let's see what they are doing. I'm drawing it big. They are taking only a small skin session, but I am drawing it as big for the understanding. So now see, this is a skin session. They divide it into stages first. 1, 2, 3. It can be 3, it can be 5, it can be 6. Okay, I'm just showing an example. So it can be those. So and each stage they divide it into blocks. Okay, this is a blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can be 5, it can be 3, it can be 10 according to the complexity of the surgery. Okay. So okay. So this would be the method they are doing the surgery. So coming to the coding of Mohs surgery, first what we have to see is which is the site of surgery. Second thing is that where, how many stages we have to see how many stages. Third thing is that each stage how many blocks. So these three things we have to consider while coding. Site, which is the site, how many stages, and each stage how many blocks. Okay. So let's see about the codes. We have 5 codes: 17311, 17312, 17313, 17314, 17315. Okay. So let's explain what is the codes. So 17311 is the standalone code where we have to see this Mohs surgery technique. Okay. Now we have to see about the sites: head, neck, hands, feet, genitalia. This is 17311. 17312 is the additional code of 17311. So that let's not consider that now. Let's see 17313. 17313, here the difference between 17313 and 17311 is that the anatomical site. See, here in 311 we have head, neck, feet, genitalia, hands. Here in 313 we have trunk, arms, legs. Okay. Then both the codes are first stage. Regarding for first stage, up to 5 blocks. See, it is up to 5 blocks. So the number till 5 we can code it for the first these codes. Okay. Now coming to the additional code of 311 is 17312. That is each additional stage after first stage up to 5 tissue blocks. So after the first stage, each additional stage we will code using 17312 for 17311 and 17314 for 17313. Right? So each additional stage up to 5 blocks. So you will be thinking, what about 17315? That is for each additional block after these stage 5 blocks. Okay. So we can see with an example how is the coding going. So let's see with an example. First is I'll take the anatomical site as neck. Okay. Let's say that it has 4 stages, and first stage is of 5 blocks. Okay, second stage is of 7 blocks. Third stage is of 3 blocks, and fourth stage is of 8 blocks. Okay, fourth stage is about 8 blocks. So first stage has 5 blocks, second stage has 7 blocks, third stage has 3 blocks, fourth stage has 8 blocks. Here let's see now for the first stage, which code it is the neck, which is the anatomical side. It is 4 stages. So let's see here in the text what would be the coding. Here 311 71311 is for neck is there in that. Okay, anatomical side. First stage up to 5 blocks. So first stage up to 5 blocks is 17311. See here, first stage up to 5 blocks, so it is 17311, right? And then what about the additional code? Each additional stage up to 5 blocks, right? That is 312. So here how many additional stage? 1, 2, 3. 3 additional stages. So it has told us each additional stage. So 17312 into 3. Okay, so 3 additional stages. It is this into 3 is denoting each additional stage. How many additional stages? Okay, so here in this 312 up to 5 blocks is included. So considering the second stage, we have 7 blocks. So up to 5 it is included in 312. Here it is only 3 blocks, so it is included in 312. Now the fourth stage, it has 8 blocks. Here up to 5 is included in 312. Okay, here how much is balance? In 7 for second stage 7 blocks, up to 5 is included in 312. Here the additional block we have is 2. But in stage 3 we have only 3, that is up to 5 is included in 17312. Hence it is included in 17312. Here in 4th stage there are 8 blocks. So here 5 is included. Here in 4th stage it is 8 blocks. Here 5 is included in 17312, and then the rest is 3. So here 2 plus 3 we have 5 blocks extra. So 17315 into 5. So when we go to the final coding, it is 17311, 17312 into 3, 17315 into 5. Okay guys, so coming, this will be your final coding. This is how you code Morse surgery. Okay, let's see one more example. That would be, the site would be arm, stages would be 3. First stage consists of 5 blocks. Second stage consists of first stage would consist of 8 blocks. Okay, second stage would consist of 5 blocks. Third stage would consist of 10 blocks. Okay, so coming to this, let's see. In arm we have the code 17313, which is there for arms. It is first stage up to 5 blocks. So for arms, let's see how we will do. 17313, right? So that would be there for the first stage, comprising of 5 blocks, and here the rest we have is 3 blocks. This is extra blocks. Okay, now Let's see for the additional stages. Okay, additional stages we have 1, 7, 3, 1, 4, each up to 5 blocks. So that here we have 2 additional stages. Okay, 2 additional stages. So we will take 1, 7, 3, 1, 4 into 2. Okay, which is comprising of each stage 5 blocks. So second stage 5 blocks is included in this code. Third stage 10 blocks, extra we have 5 blocks. So extra here in the first stage we have 3 blocks. In the third stage we have 5 blocks. So we will do 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. This is the extra blocks we have. Okay, 5 plus 3 is 8. So we have 8 blocks extra. So this blocks additional code is 17315. Why? After each block, after 5 blocks any stage. So it is, so each block after 5 blocks any stage, from any stage. That's why we can add it. Okay, so we'll see 17315 each block. So 8 into 8, it represents each blocks. Okay, so let's conclude the coding. Okay, let's conclude the coding. 17313 comma 17314 into 2 comma 17315 into 8. Okay, this would be your final coding. Okay guys, thank you for listening. Okay, please subscribe and like. Okay, if you have any doubts you can put in the comment box. Our channel would be there regarding medical coding. If you want any if you're interested in joining for medical coding training, which is a boom now in career, okay, you can just contact us through email medcodeinfotech@gmail.com, which would be there in the comment box. Okay, just contact us so that you can take the training for medical coding, that is comprising of CPC training. CPC is Certified Professional Coder. CPC training, okay, which is comprised of CPC training. You can take it. This is the way we would explain it through, even though it is a virtual classes, we would explain you directly. It is as effective as a classroom class. Thank you.